Hello everyone. Today I like to talk about cancer. Many people always ask me to make a video about the cancer, but I don't have that much video that to share with you. But so today I plan to talk about the cancer. First of all, you need to understand why learning cancer is so important. It is very important because 1 out of 3 in the world population going to be cancer in their any part of their lifetime. If not you, maybe the person next to you. If not the next to you, maybe one of your family member, maybe your loving one, maybe your spouse, God forbid, maybe your kids, it's going to be cancerous. So this is very important to know that how can we save ourselves from cancer, because 37 million people around the world is going to be diagnosed cancer this year, and out of 37 million people, 6.7 million people going to be die out of cancer. And only in US, 572,000 people going to die of cancer. It is very important to know because anybody, your loving one, could be diagnosed with cancer. And this is a modern disease because 50 years ago, cancer was only 3%. Now cancer is becoming like, cancer is becoming like 25% population is going to be, dying of cancer right now. And out of that cancer, there are many types of cancer, as you know that colon cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, prostate cancer, any types of organ could be cancerous, or your lymphatic system, or if your supporting organ like tissue, like a fat, like a bone could be cancerous too. So out of all the cancer, the number one dangerous is lung cancer. Why? Because only 5% chance to survive if you are diagnosed with a stage 4 cancer, stage 4 lung cancer, and it's for both men and women. So then question comes, why we need to be cancerous, or why you have to get cancer, or why you getting so much cancer people, why cancer is so epidemic. To answer this question, first of all, let's go to see what is cancer. When body cell grow abnormally, suppose human body, it is made of 10 to 50 trillion cell, and cell grow abnormally instead of dying off, that is called cancer. Because cell job is to divide, do this job and die off. And when cell is not coded properly, because cell have a genetical code, suppose inside the cell have a DNA have a chromosome, which is like 46 chromosome, half from parents, half from father, half from mother, right? And this chromosome, if you go dive into deep, you see the genetical code in the DNA, and this genetical code made of ATGC. So with 20,000 gene, which is carrying your biological behavior from generation to generation, and it also has base pair, genetical code base pair ATGC, and this ATGC, about 3 billion ATGC together having one cell, that is called one whole genome. This genome is the one actually key to know why we get cancer. So as I said, cancer means abnormally growing of cell, right? So what happened when this genetical code get mutated? Suppose this mutation could be mismatch in the base pair. As I said, every cell have a 3 billion genetical code, ATGC base pair. If this get disturbed, it gets mismatch, then get cancer. And why you get cancer, that is the most important. I like to talk about that, why then we get this cancer. First of all, based on the scientific research is talking about that cancer could be because of bacterial effect, cancer could be radiation, could be bad habit. But I would give number one reason for cancer is bad habit, bad healthy life, bad, wrong health choice. So for instance, the way we for example, like food we eat meat, right? Meat is found number one carcinogens compound like a heterocyclic amine. Heterocyclic amine, this is a compound chemical made when you burn the meat, hemoglobin in the meat convert into HCA, heterocyclic amine. This HCA is a class 1 carcinogens declared by American Health Institute, which is called NIH, National Institute of Health. So meat product, processed meat, which is made of meat, made of steroid hormone and a lot of chemicals, because the cow and chicken are fed with a lot of steroid to make it grow faster and bigger. That makes the cancer, and there are many scientific research and many clinical data showing that this processed meat making the cancer. Number two is our food habit, our lifestyle, our food. We eat food as a processed food. So processed food is the cause of cancer. So processed food, body cannot digest it, body cannot process it, and that makes you cancer. And third reason I could say is based on the scientific research, it's showing that the electronics that we use, electromagnetic radiation, because we use a lot of cell phone, Wi-Fi, computer, iPad, this so many radiation is affecting our gene, is making mismatch, making mutation in the gene. And gene is the one or like tumor suppressor gene, that is the ones breaking the pedal, stopping the cancer to grow. But when gene is not working properly because of our food habit, because of electronics, because of harmful chemical coming to the food, imagine the food, you might thinking I eat only vegetable, but the vegetable, the plant have a more than 400 pesticide used. Do you know how many thousands of metric ton pesticide we use on our plant? Thousands of metric ton of pesticide we use on our food. And that's food, that's plant we eating as a healthy diet. That makes us cancerous. That makes a gene mutation. That makes a mismatching in the ATGC in the genetical code. That makes our cancer. So lifestyle, and then food, wrong food choice, processed meat, and then chemicals, harmful chemical in the food, and too much electronics. So what I do, I put all the electronics away when I go to sleep, or put in a airplane mode. That's the true cause of cancer. And also stress. Also, as you know, our life today have so much, involved with the stress and so life is too much stressful. So when we are in stress, then human body get hormonal imbalance. This hormonal imbalance makes our digestion system off, makes our our body minerals off, makes our we can lose our cognitive power. And so this stress, hormonal imbalance, and our sleepless, we don't sleep enough. When we don't sleep enough, body doesn't grow properly, regeneration doesn't work properly, and then virus and bacteria comes and grow into the cell, makes our body cell abnormal, makes our genetically mutation. and makes an infection, makes inflammation throughout the body. You see? So bacteria and virus affects our body when we don't take care of our system. When body is not working properly because of unhealthy diet, indigestion, harmful chemicals, and too many mutation for the electronics and stuff. Then harmful bacteria comes in, kick in, and that's grow in our body, and it gets infection. And infection transfer or turns into the cancer. So these are the three main reason why you get cancer: unhealthy lifestyle, wrong food choice, electronics too much, and body improper functioning because the unhealthy lifestyle, bacteria and virus grow, makes infection and inflammation. I hope that is clear to you. And if you know why human body get cancerous, you can take care of yourself. You can prevent yourself from the cancer. Thank you very much.